Hi, this is Keshav. I am a Python trainer in PySpiders. One of our student, he got placed recently. He's going to share his experience.
Hi, I am Anvesh. I joined PySpiders in the month of March, and then it's been 6 months since I've been pursuing this course. Initially, we were assigned with manual testing courses. Following that came Python, and then SQL testing, and then automation testing, that is Selenium. Manual was taken by Gowtham Sir and Pradeep Sir, and Python was taken by Keshav Sir, and then automation testing was taken by Lakshmi Sir, and SQL testing was taken by Vinod Sir. The courses were very brief and understandable. All the trainers were very approachable, and they explained us and made us understand at any moment of time. And then all the bootcamp and the presentations helped us very lot, helped us a very lot. And then you might feel the course is a bit hectic at the beginning of the course, but then it pays you off very well at the ending. And then,
Okay,
so that's, I'm from, yeah.
congratulations, congratulations, and I wish him all the best.
Thank you.